Hello, children. Hope so. Y'all are keeping safe at home. We were going through chapter 13, Up in the Sky. Let's go through the recap what we have studied in our last class. Fill in the blanks. The sun is shining brightly today. The moon is looking like a big round ball and the stars are twinkling in the sky. So, in the beginning only you came to know, children, we will study about sun, moon and stars. So, what is sun? Sun is a very big ball of fire and it is very big compared to the earth. The sun gives us heat and light and it rises from the east and sets in the west, and they are both known as sunrise and sunset. Now, moon. What is moon, children? Moon is a big round ball which you can see in the sky during night time. We can also see different shapes of moon like full moon, half moon, crescent moon and new moon. And stars, they are the twinkling bodies in the sky. They twinkle during night time. They are also very bright. Now let's move to clouds. Sometimes we see white or grey clouds in the sky. They look like candy floss. And clouds are made up of a large number of tiny water droplets that fall down on the earth in the form of rains. However, not all the clouds cause rainfall. So children, you might have seen clouds in the sky. They only brings rain for us and they look like candy floss. Okay, so these clouds carry small droplets of water and they only fall down in the form of rainfall, which we enjoy a lot. And sometimes we can also find rainbow in the sky after a heavy rainfall, and we can see 7 colors, a band of 7 colors in the sky, which is a rainbow. It looks really very beautiful. It is a very good gift of nature for us. Now, which of the following is not seen in the sky at night? 3 pictures are given: sun, moon and star. And we know, children, that we can see moon and star at night time. Then sun, yes, we see it during daytime. So we will tick on sun. Now let's move to exercises. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. We see the dash in the sky during the daytime. And the options are sun and moon. What do we see in the sky during the daytime? Yes, it is clear, we see sun. So we will write sun. Now number 2, the sun is very dash as compared to earth. We have discussed, children, the sun, although it looks small to us, but it is very big in size, even bigger than our earth. So we will write big. The sun is very big as compared to earth. Now number 3, the moon changes its dash every night. Just now we have studied different shapes of moon: full moon, half moon, crescent moon. So these are all the shapes of moon. So what we will write? The moon changes its shape every night. Now number 4, we get heat and dash from the sun. What do we get? Water? No. Rainfall in the form of water we get from clouds. So we get heat and light from the sun. During daytime, you need not put on the lights, this tube light and all. Why? Because we get natural light from the sun. Now number 5, we see dash twinkling in the sky at night. What can be seen during night? Yes, they are stars. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. Now number B question. Write yes or no. Number 1, the sky looks black during the daytime. But does it look black? No, it looks black during the night time. So this sentence is not correct and we will write no. Now number 2, the sun rises from the west. What we have studied? The sun rises from the east. not from the west, and that is known as sunrise. So it is again not correct, and we will write no. Now number 3, when we see half moon in the sky, we call it new moon. Children, when we see half moon, do we call it new moon? No, we call it half moon only. So again it is wrong, and we will write no. Now the sun sets every morning. Again, the sun sets by the morning time or by the evening time? Yes, it is evening time. The sun sets at the evening time. So again this sentence is wrong, and we will write no. Now number 5. The sun, the moon and the stars, they are very far away from the earth. Yes, we have studied they are far away from us. That is why they look very small to us. So it is correct. So what we will write? Yes. This way, children, complete exercise A and B in your book. Read the chapter again and again. Learn all the hard spellings because there are many new words for you in this chapter. Next day, we will continue our exercises. So children, this much for today. Take care. Thank you.